Well, it's dinner time, and now it's time to have a quick salad. Now, of course, I could make this salad myself, but what I did, I went to Sprouts Market Corner. In other words, this is a Sprouts ad, and I purchased a vegan chopped salad with sesame dressing. Costs $5.09. What's really cool about these is they're all different sizes. You can buy one for $5.30, $5.99. It just depends how much they stick in, because they weigh this. They weigh this salad. Now, it comes with all kinds of ingredients. You can barely see them. You almost need a magnifying glass.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
On the very bottom of the container, it says nutritional facts. There's 12 ounces. There's 550 calories. 28 grams of fat, saturated fat, or 3 grams, no trans fat. That's what we're all trying to avoid. No cholesterol. This is perfect for people who are having cholesterol problems. Sodium is 1050. That's way too much, but still. Total carbohydrate is 60 grams, dietary fiber 10 grams, sugars is 15 grams, and protein is also 15 grams. So we're all trying to get about 20-22 grams, I mean especially if you're a man, of protein. And if you eat this salad, and you are almost there. You're almost getting to the point where you want to get the most for your protein. So I can see in here, without opening it up, there are small cherry tomatoes, there's quinoa, which is added protein, there are chickpeas, which is protein, there's sliced carrots, it looks like broccoli, and on the bottom it looks like a combination of lettuce salad, like red leaf lettuce and so forth. So let me see if I can read the ingredients. The lettuce is romaine, the dressing is canola oil, soy sauce, water, wheat, soybeans, water, sugar, rice vinegar, sesame oil, dried garlic, sesame seed, xanthan gum that kind of binds it together, chickpeas, yeast, calcium chloride that keeps it green, broccoli, carrots, seeds, and salt. Contains wheat produced in a facility that handles wheat, milk, eggs, and so forth. So if you're really tender to that, you might want to avoid any facilities that has that. I guess what they're saying is it's very possible that maybe these ingredients might have touched wheat or eggs. But basically this is a good salad. So now we're going to take it apart and I'm going to show it to you. Now what I'm going to do is, this salad is a good sized salad, but I like really big salads. So I'm going to add spinach to it. It's going to be the bottom layer. Like, you know, put it on the sides like this. And when you open this up, you have to cut this ingredient panel. Figure out how to open this thing. Okay, now this is so now if you don't like the sauce, you should taste it. Then go back and use your vinegar, and then it'll be even less calories than what it is right now. Okay, you can already see it. You have broccoli, so we'll put the broccoli on the side, on the edges of the bowl. And then we'll bring in the lettuce, because that should be on the very bottom. And most people, what they would do is they would just eat it in this container. I'm just putting it in the bowl. You could, as you can see, you could almost make this salad into 2 meals. There's enough here to share with a loved one. You have cherry tomatoes, and then you put everything on top. Now it's this little stuff here, that's quinoa, that's your protein. You want to make sure you get all that. There's even sesame seeds in here. Now this is a well combined salad. Now the next thing you do, you open your container and you test it before you pour it on there. And it's quite good, but it's got a lot of sugar in it. But it's very possible that they use cane sugar instead of white sugar. because it's vegan. But if you don't like it, this is what you can do. I buy this at Sam's Club, and it's called white balsamic vinaigrette with a hint of citrus and basil. And I really like it. I use it in a lot of my salads. And you can, oh, I forgot to tell you, you've got to shake it. See, it's got a bunch of particles in there. If you don't shake it, all you're doing is getting the oil. Put it on top. And this will be a lot less calories than this will be, because there's, now there is, let's see, if you take a look at the ingredient panel in here, it's balsamic vinegar, concentrated grape, sugar, soybean, but it's a lot less ingredients than this is. The next thing you do is you eat it. So here I am with my salad, where I've used the vinaigrette dressing. Right below me are my dogs. They're praying that I drop the salad. And that's really good. I can taste the butter lettuce and all the other flavors. I even got a chickpea in there. And as I eat the salad, I'm going to get a better concentration of different types of vegetables. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you see us in our next video. Remember, Sprouts is a fast way to be able to get a delicious salad without having to pay too much money. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.